Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening and assembling the LEGO Star Wars 6 Plus 75320, which is the Stormtrooper Battlepack. It's this one here. This is the one that's been recently released. Does look quite good. It's got all the it's got three snowtroopers and a scout trooper and with a speederbike. Does look quite cool. Open her up. Got a little book like that and two bags. Looks like we have another person of colour in the set. So now we start off with our snowtrooper with the rifle. Move the helmets out first. Actually, I always used to love the snowtroopers as a kid because they had the coolest helmets. Pulling out all the bodies at the moment and the heads. There's that one there, find the right body. That's the scout trooper. Yeah, they all seem to have the same body, so that looks like that belongs to the scout trooper. So here we have our sniper type, here with the big rifle. Looks quite cool. Put his helmet on him, so it comes with a rifle with what looks like a silencer. So it looks like that. That does look good, has to be said. There we go, that's what we have that's our first snowtrooper. Next, make the rest of our snowtroopers. We've got to make sure to put the right head on it. Not sure if this one's female or not, so make your own mind up, from what you can see anyway. Quite a nice little figure though, so it comes with a mini blaster, or blaster pistol, like so. Next we make our scout trooper. Scout troopers really are cool. This one's a bit Hispanic. Like so. Got the scout trooper helmet, that is nice, has to be said. And Have another pistol here. Which I'm just trying to find. Bear with me to try to find this other. I won't be happy if it's missing, but I probably just can't see it, so. And we have a Snowtrooper of colour as well. Not looking very happy. I put the rifle on that. That one's got a slightly bigger rifle. Yeah, I think the gun's the wrong way around. Explains it. Scout Trooper has the pistol. That's why I couldn't see it, because I've got our Scout Trooper there with the pistol. Sorry about that, bear with me. Thank you very much for keep watching. Have our Snowtrooper of colour, and they both have slightly bigger weapons, like so. All looking good. All looking like they're ready to go. Next we've got to build the Speederbike. So start off with a black 3x1 flat studded with a right angled piece, like so. A 2x2 with studs on the back. Goes on there like that. Have a green 1x1 with a hook connector on it. 2 black paddles. Like so. You also have a Snowtrooper walking you through these instructions as well, which is quite nice. Then you have one of these 5x2 with a bit in the middle like that. Those and a 2x1 with like a foot, like I think these pieces you generally get used as footwells, but that piece goes on there like that, as you can see. You turn it over, have another paddle that goes on the back, and a round upside down flat piece, or slightly curved. Those pieces go on the bottom there like so. Turn it over, have a wheel axle and a what could be a front spoiler for a car. Those bits go on there like that. I think I can see how this is shaping up now, but I'm not going to say too much just in case I'm wrong. Next we have two of these 2x1. Sorry about that, I do apologise. Angled with a cheese on the front. Two of those go on here. Then a round flat studded and a green 2x1 flat studded go together like so. And it goes on there like that. Then we have two of the 2x2 right angled pieces in green that go down rather than up. And you have a white 2x1 curved angled piece with a green connector hook, like so. This bit goes on this side of the bike, like so. And you do the same on the other side. But why they didn't do this as a ×2 instruction, I don't know, but I think it's because you have to do it. This is one of those same but different instructions, and now you've got two of these pieces here. Two actually go on the back here. On the back like that. They're moving parts. Then you've got a white triangular type piece and a control console. Goes on here as well, so you've got that bit on there, the white bit on the back, and the control console on there. Quite a cool little brick. It's like a double cheese. And have a cream coloured bar piece, goes on the back. Turn it round and we have a green 2x1 with curved edges on the front, like so. That's going to be where the front bits of the Speederbike go. Now we've got to make those. So they start off life as thought that was there. There we go. Release that piece there. Then we have a lightsaber piece with a bit where the end is slightly different. I'll show you that in a minute. Nearly. Like that. And these pieces go on the front. The Speederbikes were possibly one of the coolest toys I think that were made by the made for the Star Wars movies. Next we make the handlebars, and they start off life as 2 droid arms and 2 of these pieces. Like that. That's what we should have. Try and show you that, like that. Make 2 of those. There we go, got the handlebars going like that. Starting to take shape as a Speederbike now. And some detailing to go on the front. So we start off with a white 3x2. A white 2x2 flat, and a white 2x2 with a triangular front, like so. Bit goes on the front here. We turn this around and you have 2 black 1x1s with a hook piece on, which are going to act as what I would assume to be brakes, air brakes. Those bits go on the bottom there like that. Try and show you those. Also acts as a stand as well, so now whilst we've got this upside down, we also put a what I call a loudspeaker piece in black on the bottom there as well. Also acts as balance. So next we put the steering bits on the front. They start off life as a green 2x1 curved, one of these, and a white 3x1 like that. And they go on there. Do the same on the other side, but it's like same but opposite. Goes on like that. Here we have a Hoth Speederbike. Stick our Scout Trooper on here. There's our Hoth Speederbike all ready to go. We'll put that over here. Does look the part. Now we make the like a heavy gun next. So we start off with a black round cone piece, a black T piece. Goes in the top like that of the cone. Then we have a silencer piece, another black cone, a black lightsaber piece, like so. Does look quite good. Then we make the back of the gun. That starts off as one of these firing mechanism pieces. Have a grey cheese piece in there. A slightly different firing mechanism in there. Like so. And then we have a piece like that. It's primarily used in firing implements. That bit goes on the top like so, which gives us our main heavy gun. That's quite nice, does look good. Then we've got to make the tripod. The tripod consists of a clear 6 connector per round piece like this, and 3 blaster / shotgun pieces here. You can make a very good shotgun out of these pieces as well. So the 6 way, it's only a 3. Make sure you put the guns the right way up. And that makes a heavy cannon, which is quite cool. And you've got some red stud pieces which you can put in here. Oh, you push them in. You push them in like that, and that bit there fires, and you push that in and they fire out. That's quite a nice little effect. Put that over by the Speederbike, sorry. It's a nice little heavy gun there. Next we make the Hoth defences. So we've got a 6x6 with a angled edge on there, a 4x2 in white, a double 2x2 angled brick, and a grey 2x1 with a connector hook on it. That goes on there like that. That's what we've got for our defences so far. It's quite hard to see all in white, I do apologise. And we have 2 of these white pieces here. They go on there to give it the slightly craggy look. And we have a 2x2 angled brick, and some Hoth binoculars there. Go on the side. Have 1 white stud that goes on the top, and 3 green cheese pieces. or 2 green cheese pieces, my apologies. They go on there like so. Have a 4x1 angled piece. Then a 4x2. And another angled flat base plate there, goes on there like that. It's quite hard to see in this light, I do apologise. Then we have another white 4x1 angled piece and a white 2x1 angled piece. Another of the 2x1 angled pieces go on. Well, no, so my apologies, just one 2x1 and another 3x1 angled piece. A 1 snow white stud. I think I missed a piece out, I have. Goes there. Doesn't matter too much on these if you go slightly wrong, because it's just down to artistic interpretation. But I do like things to look good, so there we go. That's what we got on here so far. So our Hoth defences. We've got a couple more, one more green cheese piece to go on to add to the craggy effect, and one more white snow stud piece to go on there. Got a few little spares there. You can use them to make it look, maybe look a bit more craggy in places. That's what I'm about to do here, and the rest you can't do a lot with. Unless you want to beef up some of their guns, which I might do for my after photos. That's a picture of the set as it would look. Looks really cool. But there's some other, there's a scout walker with a probe droid, and an ATAT as well, but the ATATs are too big, really, but they're nice sets, but they are massive. So this is our Hoth defences. Not that the snow would stop too many blasters, but we don't let a little fact like that ruin the day. So then we have our Hoth troopers can go in here. We have someone to man this cannon here. One guy with the binoculars. You have our Hoth defences. You can't really see them in this light, unfortunately. When I do the photos on Instagram, you actually see how good they are. Put that in there. Put him on there. All our Hoth troopers there, ready to go. We'll give him a pair of binoculars, special Star Wars ones. I think these pieces were actually originally made for Star Wars, the Star Wars figures. They all seem to come with them now, and they do get used on various sets, which is quite nice. So here we have our troopers, we have our Speederbike, and it does look quite nice. It's a nice little set. It's currently retailing at full price. I brought it at full price, but it is a good set. It is worth having, and the figures do actually add to the value. And if you're actually in the process of doing some building or some troop building, it's a really nice set. So I would say it's well worth the money. Well worth. It's a nice, fun little set. Speederbike makes it good. You've got a nice big cannon there. And the troopers are great for troop building. So well done, Lego. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any feedback regarding this video, do feel free to leave it at the end of the video, and I'll try to give a mention on my upcoming videos. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram or YouTube, I'll be very much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep building, and may the force be with you. Hope to see you on one of my upcoming videos.